How to transfer an account to a new device on Signal. So first thing is you need to download the Signal application onto a device. After downloading, you will be able to see this kind of interface where you get a bunch of options like creating groups, inviting friends, calls, stories, adding many things and many features here. So just tap on your profile here, and when you tap on your profile, you will be able to see a bunch of options here as well. So here, first of all, I want you to go to chats under here and make sure this chat backup is turned on so that when you transfer into a new phone, you can restore your chats very easily. So in order to transfer an account to a new device on Signal, you need to follow some steps. First of all, on your new device, open the Signal app, and when you open it, you will be able to see this transfer or restore account section on the bottom. Just tap on that option and just enter the details. After that, you can just successfully transfer an account to a new device on Signal just by following those steps. So therefore, by following those steps, you can transfer your account to a new device on Signal. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.